Hello dear students of Standard 7th. Welcome to English class. Today you are going to learn new lesson number 11, 2 dear. Today I am going to tell you the summary of the lesson. So in this video you just listen carefully. What is the summary of lesson number 11, 2 dear? Here is the humorous story. Miss 2 dear is a humorous story about a tiny kingdom, tiny means small kingdom, named Monaco. You can see in the picture. It is a real kingdom that is located in Western Europe and it is a city-state. The picture you can see on your mobile screen. This is a city-state named Monaco. Now we go for summary. A tiny kingdom named Monaco situated near the borders of France and Italy on the shore of Mediterranean Sea. Now you can see in the picture, this is between the border of here the France, here Italy, and here is the Monaco. This is the Mediterranean Sea. On the shore of Mediterranean Sea, the city of Monaco or kingdom, a tiny kingdom Monaco is located. So now we move further. There were only 7,000 people as inhabitant. Inhabitant means the people who resides there. The kingdom of Monaco is considered here as a toy kingdom in this lesson. Toy means small kingdom because it is so small. In this real kingdom there is a real king. The king is real. The king has a palace. What does the king possess? So king has a palace, courtiers, ministers, and a bishop. Bishop is a senior priest in church, and generals. And general means chief of army, and an army of 60 men. The king consists has army, but army of only 60 men. In all, there were also taxes in the kingdom as elsewhere. So here, it means the lesson shows that the kingdom Monaco is very small kingdom, like a toy. Now we move further. The people of the kingdom Monaco are peaceable, means not causing violence. Once a murder was committed in this tiny kingdom, the judges assembled with ceremony, means formal behavior according to tradition, and try to solve this case in the most judicial, means connected to court or judge, judicial manner. The judges were happy as it was the first time that they got such a case. They were also prosecutors. So there were people. Which kind of people were there? Prosecutors, means a lawyer who leads the case against somebody, jurymen, and barristers, means lawyers. So prosecutor, jurymen, and barrister, they all were condemned, blamed the criminal, hate the criminal, and decided to cut the head of criminal as per law directed, means as per the guidance of the law. The next day what happened? They submitted the sentence, means written document, which kind of punishments they wanted to give, and this same written document had been submitted to the king. The king read the sentences, means written document, and gave permission to cut off the criminal's head. Now what happened? But there was a problem to execute, means to perform the punishment, because they required a machine called guillotine and an executioner, means a person who punishes the criminals. But they had neither of them. The minister thought about the matter and decided to write to the French government about their requirements. They wrote a letter to the French government and demanded a machine and an expert, means an executioner. A week later means after 1 week, the French government replied that they were ready to fulfill their demands and the cost would be 16,000 francs. Francs means the currency of France. Like India, we are having the currency rupee, or at the same in America they are having dollar. In the same France they are having francs. So the king thought, if we would to pay the cost, then we need to impose extra taxes on the people, which would be more than 2 francs and by imposing the taxes on the people. So what happened of our kingdom? So third thought that it may cause a riot. A riot means violent protest. So the king asked their ministers to find some cheaper, means reasonable way to deal with the criminal. So now what happened next, we'll see. The council, means a group of ministers, is called council, was called by the king to consider, to study the matter, and it was decided that they would send a similar inquiry to the king of their neighboring country named Italy or Italy. The Italian government wrote that they would have pleasure in supplying both a machine and an expert, and the total cost would be 12,000 francs. The cost offered by French government was 16,000 francs, and the cost offered by this Italian government was 12,000 francs, including traveling expenses. But still it seemed too much for the king of Monaco. It would still mean nearly 2 francs of per head or forehead on the taxes. Now another time the council was called, group of ministers was again called and discussed, and they considered how it could be done with less expense, and at last they decided to call the general of their king's army, and the general was asked, what is the general? You know, I think very well. The general means chief of the army is called general. So the general was asked, and he could find them a soldier, and he was asked, king asked the general to find a soldier, single person, a soldier who cut the man's head off. So the general asked to the soldier to do the same task means work or job, but none of the soldier would do it because it was not a thing that they had been taught during the training. So the soldiers denied the matter. Now, so what happened next is here. The ministers didn't get any solution. So again the minister considered and reconsidered the matter, and they assembled, met a commission, an official group of people, called commission, and a committee and subcommittee, and at last they decided that the best thing would be to alter, change the death sentence, punishment of death. Sentence means here punishment. The death sentence to be to one of the imprisonment for life. So now they decided to change the punishment. In place of to cut off the head, they decided to change this punishment into life imprisonment, to keep the person in prison for long life. It's called life imprisonment. So what happened next? By altering the death sentence, the king would enable means this capable, enable to show this mercy, means kindness, and it would be cheaper. The king agreed to the decision. So here afterward the king agreed to the decision at last, and so the matter was arranged, matter was settled. The only one problem now was that there was no suitable prison. Now this is the second problem. The problem was that there was no suitable prison for a man sentenced for whole life. There was a small lockup, a small prison where people are kept temporarily is called lockup. So they had small lockup. They had no strong prison fit for permanent use. However, they managed to find a place that would do, and they put the young fellow that temporarily in the lockup and placed over a guard to watch him. The guard had to watch the criminal, and what was the duty of guard? The guard had to watch the criminal and had to also to fetch, carry food for his food from the palace kitchen, not from ordinary kitchen, from palace kitchen. The prisoner remained there month after month till a year had passed. Now 1 year had already passed, and prisoner was kept there. After a year, after 1 year, the king was looking over the account of his income and expenditure. One day, and he noticed a new item of expenditure, and that was for the keeping, managing the criminal, and it was not a small item for the king. There was special guard, and there was also the man's food. So there were two items: to keep a guard to watch over the criminal as well as to keep the criminal in the prison. It came to more than 600 francs a year, and the worst thing was that the fellow was still young and healthy and might live more 50 years. So the king summoned his ministers, summoned his official calling, his minister, and said to them, what did the king say to the minister? That is given in the quarter sentences. You must find some cheaper way of dealing with this rascal. Rascal means here in this lesson very bad person. The present plan is too expensive, means costly. And the minister met again and considered the matter at that time. One of the minister told that in his opinion they had to dismiss the guard. But then the other minister argued that the fellow would run away. They decided that if we would remove the guard, then the fellow would run away. So first speaker, minister, said, let him run away, no problem. So whatever they decided, that if we would dismiss the guard, the fellow would run away. All the jurymen here, all the minister decided, let the fellow run away. And whatever they discussed, they reported to the king. So they reported the discussion, and the result of their deliberation, means discussion and calculation, they submitted, or we can say, said to the king. The king agreed with them. The guard was dismissed. And what happened? That is very interesting. So here, as and when the guard was dismissed, and all they waited to see what would happen. All that happened was that at dinner time, the criminal came out, and not finding his guard, he was looking here and there, but he could not find guard. So he went to the king's kitchen, means king's palace kitchen, and to fetch his own dinner. And he took what was given to him regularly and returned to the prison again, and shut the door on himself and stayed inside. And again he sat in the prison. He did not want to run away from the prison. The next day, what happened? The same thing happened. The next day occurred the same thing, and he went for his food at the proper time, but he was not thinking to run away from the prison. So again, all they were worried about the matter. The minister told one another that they should tell the criminal straight out, means openly or frankly, to leave the place, the prison. They called the criminal and told him that the guard was dismissed and he was free to leave the place. And for this matter, even the king would not have any problem, would not mind. The criminal replied that he had nowhere to go. What was the reason he had given? The king had ruined, means spoiled his character by the punishment, and people would not turn their backs on him. People would turn their backs, means nobody would notice him after leaving the prison. Besides, means additional, he had to go out of the way of working, and afterward he thought that if he would leave the king in this prison, nobody would give him any work. He argued that he would not mind when they changed this punishment into the life imprisonment. He also argued that a guard was put to bring him his food. Afterward, some time, they took the guard away, even though he did not complain. But now they actually wanted him to go or to leave the prison. So that's why he could not agree to that. He also just replied that they might do as they like. Means the prisoner argued with the king and with the minister that they might do as they like, but he would not go away. He would not leave the prison. So once more, the council was summoned, officially calling, to discuss what was to be done. The course, means plan, could they adopt, because the men, whatever the course, means plan, could they adopt now? Because the men would not go. Finally, they decided to offer him a pension. This is the final decision. The sum fixed was 600 francs. The sum of pension was 600 francs, and this was declared to the prisoner. He said, now the prisoner said, I don't mind so long as you undertake, means guarantee to pay it regularly. On that condition, I am willing to go. So afterward, prisoner just argued with them that if you would pay me regularly my pension, Then on that condition I am willing to go. Then I just wanted to go. So the matter was settled. The criminal received 1/3 of his annuity, means annual payment, in advance. He left king's domains, means ruling area, and he immigrated, means quit, then settled just across the frontier, means border of two countries. Border between two countries is called frontier. So he left the king's domains and settled just across the frontier. So border between two countries. And where he bought a bit of land, where he purchased a bit of land and started market gardening. And what he did? And he lived his life comfortably. So he always went, and always he went at a proper time to draw his pension. So it is a good thing that the committed. So he's at last, what is the main intention of the story? It is a good thing that he committed. What did the prisoner think that is given? His thinking ability is given in this last passage. Who thought that? Prisoner thought that. It is a good thing that he committed his crime in a country where they grudge, means offer a payment rather than cutting his head off or to keep him in prison for life. So at last the prisoner got reward in place of getting the life imprisonment or getting any kind of severe punishment. He enjoyed his life. So at last this is a humor story. So this is a kingdom like Monaco who did this kind of action to the prisoner that make the people laugh. Thank you. I hope you can understand the summary.